Hey, Dave over here at Mike's Off-Road again, sitting here in front of an 08 Toyota Land Cruiser with a brand new ARB bumper. As you know, we do a lot of bumpers here. We had a lot of bumpers, especially this year. These ARBs have been really hard to get a hold of here lately, I would say last year and a half. I just happened to find this one for this customer. They're a great bumper. Like I've always said, the ARB bumpers on the front of these Toyotas are just the pivotal point of protection. They come with crush panels so that if you do hit something, they are literally the only bumper out there that is airbag approved. Most people don't know that. So if you want some really good protection, you want something that's gonna look really nice, you really need to look at the ARB if you own a Toyota. They work really, really well. You do have to do a lot of cutting, a lot of trimming in order to get these bumpers to fit. You basically throw away your whole plastic bumper that you start out with, your aluminum crush panel that came on these things, and then the foam, all that stuff goes away. They build a really nice structural bumper, like I said, that is airbag approved. This is on a particular one, it's on a nice 08 Land Cruiser that's got 2021 Heritage wheels on it. They've done a really good job fixing this thing up. Pretty soon we'll be having a roof rack on it and a few other things, but might want to watch the Mike and Dave show this month. We're going to be doing a deal on bumpers because bumpers are a big thing right now. If we get more of them in, we'll be putting more on. The best thing you can do for your Toyota is put an ARB on it and have some fun. Have any questions, give us a call out here at Mike's Off-Road, 586-4103. You can talk to myself, Dave. Give us a call. We'll take care of all your needs for your bumpers, especially you Toyota guys.